New from 2024, BMW R12 9T. This replaces the previous BMW R 9T. The concept of retro boxers remains the same, but many details have changed. We will explain all the differences. If a manufacturer improves a product, he removes seemingly unimportant details or checks materials and design. The goal is to save costs. It is not known whether this is the aim of the new BMW R12 9T. However, one thing is clear, the new R12 9T from 2024 has lost some of the high-quality charm of the previous ninet. BMW launches the new Heritage model on May 11, 2023, with all data to follow on November 23rd. Conceptually, the new BMW R12 9T remains the same and can be classified in the retro roadster, modern classics, and heritage categories. BMW has changed the nomenclature and classification of series within the in-house heritage family. This includes the proximity of the model to the engine capacity. BMW assigned the new type abbreviation R12 to the air oil-cooled 1200 series boxer engine with a capacity of exactly 1,170 cubic meters. Externally, the boxer has a new cylinder head cover that is similar to the truly classic two-valve cylinder head cover. There are virtually no changes to the performance of the previous engine, which already complies with Euro 5 standards. BMW continues to produce 109 horsepower at 7,000 revolutions per minute as previously at 7,250 revolutions per minute, and 115 Nm at 6,500 revolutions per minute for the new R12 9T, previously 116 Nm at 6,000 revolutions per minute. A 6-speed gearbox is now available as an option with Shift Assistant Pro, which allows you to upshift and downshift without pulling the clutch lever. At least the 1,200cc air-cooled boxer engine and its previous strong performance are maintained. With only minimal deviation, it has a power of 109 horsepower and 115 Nm, but without a side intake snorkel and without flap control on the exhaust. The R12 9T still has an aluminum tank, but the volume is 2 liters less, and the inverted telescopic fork is fully adjustable. Nevertheless, the price announcement from Munich seems quite encouraging, from €17,410. With special equipment and original accessories, logically the BMW R12 9T becomes more expensive.